Welcome to a new tour of favorite home luxury real estate in Marbella. Today I am going to present this new development made up of upset 8 villa. Are you ready? Let's go! We have selected this property because we want to show you one of the few brands new luxury villas so close to the center of Marbella, only 4 minutes by car and only 5 minutes from the shopping center La Cañada. Ideal for families who want to be close to a school, nursery, among other services, and at the same time live in a quiet area. Now we are in villa number 5. On the first floor, we can see the open space design of the living room with its swimming pool and beautiful garden, Japanese style, ideal to enjoy the sunlight that Marbella offers. I love this entrance door. Before entering, I would like to mention that the doors are sliding and are inlaid, making this area more spacious and comfortable, as well as having the option of being able to close up to the end of the roof for those who want a larger interior space. The villa has 380 square meters, 4 floors in total, with the closed garage for 2 cars. Welcome to your new home. I love being able to see the pool from the living room. It makes the environment very nice. All Siemens brand appliances. How do you imagine here? In the remaining villas that are being built, you can choose the type of top or other final details, which are provided to us from the Porcelanosa catalog. We can see always very necessary inside closet and come. Independently, there is the guest bathroom. Here we have the elevator that communicates with all parts of the house. Wow! This plan is perfectly finished to be able to make life here. It's fresh and spacious. It's a many possibilities. It's very nice. Thanks to its window overlooking the outside garden. And of course, a full bathroom. Now we are on the second floor with 3 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms and suite. Let's see my favorite. Perfectly fitted closets, complete bathroom and terrace communicating with the other bedroom. This is a very exclusive master bedroom, very different from other properties in this area. It makes you feel very privileged. and the views are unique. The mountain and sea. The whole house has underfloor heating and air conditioning. This is the second bedroom, also with exit to the terrace. We are already arriving at the end of the tour in the Solarium floor. Super spacious, with incredible views of the mountains and the sea. It's wonderful to see it from here. Even having the elevator, for convenience of use, there is also a toilet and a pre-installation for if you want to put an outdoor kitchen. It's very well thought to be able to enjoy its use. It's very nice. Thank you very much for joining me during this tour. I hope you like it. Can you tell me which property you like more? Near city or farther away? I read you. Don't forget to like us and contact us if you are interested in buying or selling in Marbella.